Hello, and welcome back to Learning Lab Zone, where knowledge comes to life. Today we're delving into a fascinating topic that's at the crossroads of biology and self-improvement. We're talking about biohacking, a revolutionary approach that enables you to optimize your body and mind. Biohacking sounds like a fancy term, but it's essentially about making small, incremental diet or lifestyle changes to make your body function better. It's a DIY approach to improve your body's performance. But remember, it's not magic, it's science. So, let's hack into it. Biohacking, in simple terms, is the practice of changing our chemistry and physiology through science and self-experimentation to energize and enhance the body. It's a broad term that encompasses a wide range of activities, from performing science experiments on yeast at home to tracking your own sleep and diet. The concept of biohacking was popularized by Dave Asprey, the founder of Bulletproof Coffee. He's spent millions trying to upgrade his own biology, and he's not alone. More and more people are beginning to take an active role in their own biological well-being. Biohacking is typically classified into three categories: Nutrigenomics, do-it-yourself biology, DIYbio, and Grinder. Nutrigenomics. Nutrigenomics explores the relationship between what you eat and how your body responds. Consider John, who's part of our Learning Lab community. John noticed he often felt sluggish and bloated. Through testing, he found he had an intolerance to gluten. He then used nutrigenomics to modify his diet, removing gluten and incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. As a result, John reported higher energy levels, less bloating, and overall improved health. DIYbio involves individuals conducting biological experiments at home. Let's take Jane, another Learning Lab member, as an example. Intrigued by DIYbio, she started conducting simple microbiology experiments at home. She began by making homemade yogurt, a process that involves live cultures, and eventually moved to more complex projects, such as developing a home hydroponic system for growing her own vegetables. Through her experiments, Jane gained a deeper understanding of the biology that underpins daily life. Grinders go to more extreme lengths in biohacking, often using technology or devices implanted in their bodies. Take the example of Neil Harbison, who identifies as a cyborg. Neil was born with achromatopsia, a rare condition that causes complete color blindness. Not content to live his life in grayscale, Neil collaborated with a computer scientist to create an antenna-like device, which was later implanted into his skull. This device, called the iBorg, converts color frequencies into sound frequencies, allowing Neil to hear colors. It's a fascinating, though extreme, example of biohacking. Biohacking can lead to significant improvements in your well-being. It can increase your energy levels, improve your sleep quality, and enhance your mental performance. But it's not without its risks. Self-experimentation can be risky, and it's also worth noting that the FDA doesn't regulate many biohacking devices. There are many ways you can start biohacking. You can start with something as simple as implementing a consistent sleep schedule or adjusting your diet. You could try a standing desk or experiment with meditation. For instance, let's take a look at a daily routine of a biohacker. They might start their day with a bulletproof coffee, a mix of coffee, butter, and coconut oil, claimed to increase energy and focus. They could use an app to track sleep patterns and adjust their activities for better rest. And, perhaps, they may experiment with intermittent fasting to improve their health. So, that's a basic overview of biohacking. It's a fascinating field that's constantly evolving. And while it's not for everyone, if you're intrigued by the potential of maximizing your physical and mental performance, it might be worth exploring. Remember, always approach it responsibly. Consult with healthcare professionals, do your research, and listen to your body. After all, biohacking is all about making a positive impact on your well-being. That's all for today's episode at Learning Lab Zone. If you liked our deep dive into the world of biohacking, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more enlightening videos. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep learning. Until next time.